In today's video, I got 3 quick tips for handling money. These are the tips that I use on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis, so hopefully this will help you guys. Let's get into the intro. What's good, everybody? I am Cecil Betty, aka Mr. Catwoman, and welcome to Cat's Meow Budget Solutions. In today's video, I got 3 tips for handling money. The first tip is know what you make. And what I mean by that is every week that you guys get a paycheck, you should be looking at your paycheck stub, seeing your gross, seeing your taxes, and also seeing what your net is every week, making sure that your insurance or anything else is coming out deduction wise that needs to be coming out. For some people out there, it's like child support. Make sure child support is coming out, because I've heard people have problems with their employer getting to the government to pay child support and stuff like that. So knowing what your paycheck is will actually help find mistakes. With me being a truck driver, I literally have to comb through my paycheck and what I do for the week religiously. If I don't, I'll be missing pay. Most of the time I have been missing pay, as a matter of fact. So just make sure you guys know what you make, and this will really help in handling money. The next tip is watch what you spend. Basically what I mean by that is basically you need to watch and know what you're spending your money on every single week. There shouldn't be at any point in time during your week between paycheck that you should really know where your money's going. If you get paid on Friday and it's next Tuesday and you're completely broke by now and you don't know why, then that's most likely because you're not watching what you're spending and knowing what you're spending your money on. If I was personally coaching anybody, I would always tell them to make sure they have money for the 4 walls first, which is basically like the rent and food, water, shelter, and all that good stuff. And then after that, they can have money for fun. A lot of people these days are spending a lot of money on fun, like restaurants, movies, extracurricular stuff. But yeah, you just gotta watch and know what you spend. The next tip is always save money. This actually leads from tip 1 and 2. If you know what you make, know what you spend, you should be able to save something per week. Personally, I'm a little nutty, so I'm always saving by the quarter. So usually I save no less than $6.25 a week. That will go towards something, as a matter of fact. So even $12.50, you won't believe how fast that will actually build up. If you save $12.50 in 1 year, I believe that's $625. If you save up $25 a week in 1 year, that's $1,300. $50 is $2,600, and guess what? 100 is $5,200. Always try to save as much as you can, but if you're in debt, I don't suggest saving as much as that. $100 or $50, maybe something low for a rainy day fund or something like that would be great. But yeah, that's it. So in conclusion, it's basically simple. Know what you make, watch what you spend, and try to save a little bit of money. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, you can email me at questions@catsmeowbudgetsolutions.com. And as always, have a great and wonderful day. Peace.